Is your brain able to age as well as your body? The doubling of the average human lifespan over the last century has indeed demonstrated that our brain's abilities often decline as we reach our 60s and 70s. So what can be done to extend the healthy life of your brain? Hello there, I'm Professor Danny Sherman, and I'm here at BrainFit Resorts, where we show you how to live with passion, fun, and exuberance for life. In our society, old age has become synonymous with a decrease in mental capacities. The word senile, originally meaning old man, over the years was used to describe someone who is mentally weak. However, there are different types of changes in cognition as we age. Those we expect as part of normal aging, and the types of changes that suggest the onset of a brain disease like dementia or Alzheimer. These neurodegenerative diseases are characterized by nerve cell loss in different parts of the brain. As this cell death progresses, cognitive decline occurs and leads to the disruption of daily activities and the loss of our independent living. What are the normal changes in the brain abilities as we age? Our brain abilities can be divided into what we call crystallized and fluid abilities. Crystallized abilities refer to well-practiced skills which are based on past experience. General knowledge, historical information, and vocabulary are all examples of crystallized abilities. Because crystallized abilities are based on one's own life experiences, older adults actually tend to perform better at tasks requiring these abilities when compared to younger adults. In contrast, fluid abilities depend on a person's innate ability to process and learn new information, solve problems, reason, and manipulate the environment without using prior experience. Executive functions, processing speed, working memory, and psychomotor abilities are all considered fluid cognitive domains. Many of these fluid abilities, however, peak in the third decade of life and thereafter slowly decline with advancing age. One of the most common complaints among older adults is a change in short-term memory, also known as working memory. And it is one of the brain's fluid abilities. Working memory decline may be also related to the other age-related declines in fluid abilities, like slowed processing speed, reduced ability to ignore irrelevant information, and decreased use of strategies to improve learning and memory. So why does this happen? After rapid growth during the first 10 years of life, the human brain reaches its maximal size at around 20 years of age, and then decreases slowly in size during midlife and older age. Until recently, it was thought that this decrease in brain size is a result of the death of nerve cells, also known as neurons, a process that is typical for neurodegenerative diseases. But more recent findings suggest normal aging is actually associated with a decrease in the size of neurons and their interconnections, as well as reduced communication efficiency between various regions of the brain. Other important reasons for age-related changes in cognitions are due to functional brain changes with advancing age, which may include changes in the brain network activation and decreased levels of neurotransmitters. The good news is, through evidence-based research and the application of a multi-domain approach, cognitive aging can be slowed and the decline in cognitive abilities ultimately prevented. We go into a lot more detail on this topic specifically in our new ebook, which you can find in the links in the new description below. If you'd like to find out more about the multi-domain approach and strategies you can apply to your daily life to take control and slow the process of the aging brain, visit our website at brainfitresorts.com and take a look at our blog section. There you will find a myriad of valuable information, including hints and tips on how you can slow the cognitive aging process, all available from the links in the description. We also cover many aspects of preventing cognitive decline in our other videos, so if you like this video and want to find out more about how to prevent cognitive decline and live your most passionate, fun and fulfilled life, click the subscribe button and check out our other videos. Once again, I'm Professor Danny Sherman, thanking you very much for watching, and until next time, live strong, live well, live brain fit.